Idyllic, invigorating, impressive. Welcome to 7 Megan Court. The layout is fantastic. You're going to love the kids' quarters, comprising of 3 bedrooms, family room, study area, their own bathroom. You have your media room. Then you have the kitchen overlooking the large family room with fireplace, leading out to the inviting in-ground pool. Set on a stunning 1.5 acres, fusing the beauty of nature with modern conveniences, invoking the perfect family harmony and sheer tranquility. This is what acreage living is about.